Let's take a look at antitrust and perhaps the newest target of antitrust, big technology companies. Do you think that internet giants such as Google, Facebook, and Amazon, among others, are helping or hurting innovation in the economy? Good news. Tech companies can look at this. 62% say that they are helping innovation in this country, and only 37% say hurting. Do you believe that internet giants such as Google, Facebook, and Amazon, and others, are helping or hurting competition in the economy? Here it's a closer question. 51 helping, 49 hurting. Basically a split, American public, on that issue. Do you think today's internet giants help or harm consumers with the services they offer? People find the services, many of them delivered ostensibly for free because they're funded through data and advertising. 67% of the public says these consumer services, they help us. 33% say harm. Do you think that today's internet giants build products and services with the best interests of consumers in mind, or are they largely focused on profits and market power? Here's where the case begins to come apart a little bit. 32% believe they have the best interests of the consumer, and 68% say they are largely focused on profits and market power. So now you see, they say, well, look, I like the services, I like that they're free, they're kind of helpful, but I no longer trust the motives of those big tech companies. Do you think today's internet giants have accumulated market share and power over the years in a fair or unfair way? Split right down the middle here, 51 fair, 49 unfair. Do you think today's internet giants have taken steps to reduce market competition or largely acted in a fair way? Again, another weakness of the tech company image emerging. 67% say they've taken steps to reduce market competition, while only a third think they've acted largely in a fair way. And that again shows that there's increased skepticism about the motives of tech companies and the way they are making decisions in terms of what they do in the marketplace. Do you think they create jobs? Yes, 62% say they create jobs. But do you think that today's internet giants should be subject to federal antitrust review, given that they offer largely free services? 68% favor an antitrust review, which is what is going on now, based on the best available information appearing in the press about what the Justice Department is doing, which is doing a full review of the tech companies on antitrust grounds. That has 68% support. Do you support or oppose the decision of the Department of Justice to open sweeping antitrust review of today's internet giants? That number is 71%. So they may say, look, the services are free, we're helping the economy, we're creating jobs, why interfere with any of that? The public is saying, well, we're not sure of your motives, maybe you're acting more out of profit than trying to make the best products for consumers. Let's have the government take a peek. Let's have the government lift the covers on technology companies and see whether or not there are potential antitrust violations. That's how the public has come out on this really important issue.